Assalamualaikum. Thank you everybody for watching this video. Today I'll show how to make this object by using Loft command and Loft cut command. You are watching it, then you can see the section view also. You're watching the section view. Okay, at first I'm going to the file, taking the new. Okay, then I'm going to the IPS, select the MMGS. Okay, done. Then I'm selecting the top plane. Okay, normal plane. Then go to the sketch, select the circle, and I'm taking it 50 millimeters. Exit it. Then I'm going to here. I'm going to Control 7, pressing the Control 7. Okay, then I'm going to take the top plane again, go to the features, go to the reference geometry and taking the plane, and I'm taking it 40 millimeters upwards. Okay, done. Then I'm going to the sketch and select the circle, and I'm taking it 100 millimeters. Okay, done. Exit it. Again I'm going to select the top plane, go to the feature, select the reference geometry and plane, and I'm taking it 80 millimeters. Okay, done. Then I'm going to sketch and select the circle and sketch it. It will be 50 millimeters. Okay, then exit it. Then I'm going to the features, select the lofted boss or loft or base, click one, another click on the second circle, another click on the third circle, then okay, you are watching the solid shape. Then I am going to top plane again, go to the reference geometry and taking the plane, and 80 I am taking it. Okay, done. Then I am going to the sketch and select the circle, and I am sketching it 20 millimeters. Okay, done. Exit it. Then I am going to the plane again, top plane, go to the feature, the reference geometry and plane. Then I am taking it 40 millimeters. Okay. Then again go to the sketch and select the circle, then sketch it. It will be 40 millimeters. Okay, done. Then again I am going to the top plane, go to the features and reference geometry and taking the plane. Then I am taking it from origin. Okay. Then I am going to the sketch and select the circle and sketch it. It will be 50 millimeters. It will be the similar to the previous. Okay, then exit it. Then I am going to the features, select the swept cut, click on this circle, then this circle, then this circle. Okay, it's wrong. I'm going to select the loft cut, so click on this circle, then this circle, after that this circle. Okay, done. Okay, you are watching the whole. Then I'm going to select the materials, going here, then I'm taking the bronze, polish bronze is taken. Then I'm taking this color for this shape. Okay, then I'm changing this color. Okay, this color is okay, and I'm taking this color is that's one. Okay, you are watching it. Then I'm going to show the shape section view, going here, taking this portion or taking this one. Okay, thank you everybody for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, like, comment and share.